Hi all, have a good day. I'm K. Surya, working as assistant professor in the Department of ECE at SNS College of Technology. So in this lecture, we'll see about nodal analysis. So there are two basic methods which is used for solving an electrical network. One is the mesh analysis, and another one is the nodal analysis. We will see about nodal analysis in this lecture video in detail. So in nodal analysis, let us consider the node voltages with respect to the ground. So the nodal analysis is also called as node voltage method. So these are the steps that need to be followed for finding or for solving an electrical network. So first one is we have to identify the principal nodes and choose one node as the reference node. So we will treat that reference node as the ground. Next one, we will be labeling the node voltages with respect to the ground from all the principal nodes except the reference node. So next step is you have to write the nodal equations at all the principal nodes, leaving the reference node. So the nodal equation is written by using the Kirchhoff's current law and Ohm's law. Next, we will be solving the nodal equations that are obtained in step 3 in order to obtain the unknown node voltages. Now, using these voltages, we can find the current flowing through any element and also the voltage across any element that is present in the given network. So let us see an example for nodal analysis. So this is a circuit given. So in this circuit, you have to find out the current flowing through 20 ohm resistor of the following circuit. So you have to find out the current flowing in this 20 ohm resistor. So here you have two sources, 20 volts voltage source and 4 amps current source. So you have 5 ohms, 10 ohms, here one 10 ohms and 20 ohms. So in nodal analysis, first we have to find out the nodes. So here we can choose this and this as the principal nodes. So the first step is we are finding out the three principal nodes. So this is one node, this is one node, and uh, this is the node 3. So three nodes. Okay. So we will set this node 3 as the reference node, which is ground. So now next step is we have to uh, write the nodal equations at these principal nodes. So the voltage across node 1 is V1, voltage across node 2 is V2. These voltages are with respect to the ground. So we have to write the nodal equations at node 1. So you have a voltage source. So V1 minus 20 divided by that particular resistance 5 plus V1 by 10 plus V1 minus V2 by 10 is equal to 0. So when you solve this, you'll be getting V2 is equal to 4V1 minus 40. Similarly, we'll be writing the node equation at node 2. So which will be minus 4 plus V2 by 10, 20 plus V2 minus V1 by 10 is equal to 0. So these are the corresponding resistor values. This is the current source which is shown on the other side. So when you solve this, you'll be getting 3V2 minus 2V1 is equal to 80. So using these two equations, we will be finding out V1 and V2. Okay, so substitute the one equation in the other. Okay, substitute equation 1 and equation 2, you'll be getting V1 is equal to 20 volts. So substitute V1 in the other equation. So you'll be getting V2 is equal to 40 volts. So you have V1 is equal to 20 volts, V2 is equal to 40 volts. So you have to find out the voltage across 20 ohm resistor. It is nothing but the node voltage V2. and you know that it is equal to 40 volts. Next one, the current flowing through the 20 ohm resistor, you can find out using Ohm's law, which is I is equal to V by R. So V, you know, it is 40 divided by 20. So you'll be getting 2 amps. This is how nodal analysis is done. So hope you understood how to do nodal analysis. So first step is you have to identify the principal nodes. Second step is you have to mark the voltages across the principal nodes with respect to the reference node marked as ground. Next, at each principal node except the reference node, you will be writing the Kirchhoff's current law equations, and from that you will be finding out the unknown voltages. Uh, Once you find out the unknown voltages by solving the equations, you can find out the current or voltage through any element in the network. So let us take up some assessment questions. Nodal analysis is generally used to determine, the options are voltage, current, resistance and power. So in basic, nodal analysis is used for finding out the voltage. Once you find out the voltage, then from that voltage you can find out the current or voltage through any other element. So the basically nodal analysis is used to find out only the voltage. So the answer here is voltage. Next one is, if there are 10 nodes in a circuit, then how many equations do we get? So out of the 10 nodes, one node will be the reference node. So remaining will be having 9 nodes. So the number of nodes in number of equations in general is given by n minus 1. Okay, if there is n number of nodes, then n minus 1 equations will be there. So here the options are 10, 9, 8 and 7. So for 10 nodes means then n minus 1 is 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. So you'll be having 9 equations. How many nodes are taken as reference nodes in a nodal analysis? So in a nodal analysis, yes, you know that only one node will be taken as the reference node. Thank you for watching this video.